The simplest way to make money online, Grant Cardone. Greatness Capital presents The Simplest Way to Make Money Online, Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is an international sales expert, a New York Times best-selling author, and the executive producer of the Whatever It Takes network. He started the Cardone Group, Cardone Enterprises, and Cardone Real Estate Holdings. He has shared his sales and business knowledge as a motivational speaker and the author of 7 books, Sell to Survive, The Closer's Survival Guide, If You're Not First, You're Last, The 10X Rule, Sell or Be Sold, The 10X Quote Book, The Millionaire Booklet, and Be Obsessed or Be Average. Here are the simplest ways to make money online by Grant Cardone. Build a blog. Take a look at this you're sharing on Facebook. You're currently making posts on Instagram. You're making videos on TikTok. You are also posting videos to YouTube, aren't you? Put all that you just said on a blog as well. The number of people that see your content can increase thanks to blogs. They assist you in becoming relevant in your market and maintaining that relevance over time. Also, they have the potential to boost revenue. Your blog can include links to such items or businesses if you offer goods or services. After that, when you start getting some traffic, you may also monetize your space by advertising from your site. This can be done after you start getting visitors. And if you noticed my deceptive little maneuver, you just clicked on a link that took you to one of my many products or services from a blog post on, you guessed it, my blog. Affiliate marketing. In connection with blogs, affiliate marketing is when you advertise a product or service that belongs to someone else and get compensated for doing so. If you still need to get your product or service or want to offer something that you believe is in addition to what you're already selling, this is an excellent opportunity to make some extra money. You can undoubtedly observe this phenomenon in email marketing, in which a person you have subscribed to would sell you a product that another person developed. They may enjoy it and have faith in it, but in most cases, they aren't doing it out of the goodness of their hearts. You may implement this strategy on your blog or email list, assuming you already have either of those things, and send out offers for affiliate products that you believe your audience could benefit from. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sure, I do e-commerce. I use Shopify as the platform for my online business, where I sell various things to customers. In the most recent few years, this strategy has gained popularity, and for a good reason. It costs little money to start, and it can be successful if you are prepared to do the work. There is still a possibility available even though the level of competition has escalated since the industry's prime. High school students are generating respectable amounts of money utilizing this. If they were successful, then you should be too. Do market research, open an online store catering to a specific niche, and sell entertaining and useful things to members of that niche. The important takeaway is that if you have excellent marketing abilities and an entrepreneurial spirit, you can acquire some merchandise in bulk and then sell it for a profit. Coaching. Are you knowledgeable about a subject? Even if you think something other than what you have going for you is particularly valuable, there's a good chance that you do. There are internet stores that sell cat pictures, and there is one that sells bananas with googly eyes adhered to them. Get a move on. If you have experience or expertise in a certain field, such as drawing cats, working out, or even health and fitness, you may charge people to assist them in accomplishing specific goals, such as getting into better condition. Regardless of what it is, you can launch your website, create a profile on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork, and charge people for your assistance in achieving the outcomes they desire. Now, it's not passive because you'll be adjusting your customers' schedules. Therefore, it's no longer passive. Nevertheless, if you can successfully train one, you can successfully coach many. When compared to mentoring an individual, mentoring multiple people can result in a return on investment that is 10 times greater. After you've gotten the hang of things, you may easily carry out the procedure again and again. In addition, you may combine it with any of the other opportunities I've outlined here to create a fantastic means of enhancing your current income. Want to be the next person to make millions on their own? Use these 10 tips from Grant Cardone. Number 10. Decide to become a multimillionaire. Focus on making much money, not just $1 million. Shoot high. Instead of setting too low of a goal, it's better to fail high. Don't guess wrong about what you need. As you make money, learn to use the same model and process again. The way to be great is to do things often. Number 9. Stop all poverty behavior. It would help if you had the right attitude to get what you want. It's bad to refuse to invest in yourself, make connections, or travel. You will only become financially independent by saving every penny and worrying about every dollar. The right way to do things is to invest in the right things and spend money to make money. Number 8. Study 2 multimillionaires. Study, watch, learn from, and act like wealthy and successful people. Remember to look for people with more than $10 million in assets. People with less than that amount are more interested in keeping what they have than making more. Number 7. Work like a multimillionaire. Now is not the time to kick back and relax, it is time to start fresh. The mentality of a multimillionaire is to put in the hours necessary to earn wealth for oneself. It has been found through a study that self-made millionaires read at least 2 books per month. Up to 60 books a year have been read by Bill Gates. According to Warren Buffett, he spends approximately 80% of his day reading. You can improve yourself and your mind by researching, studying, and learning. Number 6. Never quit and never settle. Keep climbing and keep accomplishing. Don't ever let up. It is your responsibility to achieve success. Also, this necessitates arduous labor, self-control, and dedication. Number 5. Expand your network. Spend your time engaging with different customers. It would help if you prioritized spending time with those who are currently buying from you or will participate soon. You should seek out new areas each week, make new connections, and meet new people. You should only sometimes be seen hanging out with the same group of mates. Go to the places where your potential customers will be. They most likely won't be found in a dive bar, but you might run into them in a country club or even a church. Number 4. Create multiple flows of income. A successful multimillionaire has a significant number of streams of income. Create your initial flow, which is typically the primary focus of your work. The next step is to locate a flow complementary to the previous one, such as a bonus or commission at work. Consider making an investment or coming up with a side business that you can run in your spare time that can bring in money on its own. This will be your third flow. Number 3. Move from spending to investing. Put money into something that will make you money. Instead of spending $100, I'd rather put $1,000 into an investment. Spend your money so that you can spend more money. For instance, going out to supper with only my wife counts as spending. If we go out to dinner with a potential client or with someone else to network, then the cost of the meal becomes an investment in the growth of our company. Number 2. Never lose money. Avoid making risky bets with your assets. Choose the path that has the best chance of success. Spending money on activities that won't help you or your company advance wastes resources. Do not invest in a scam that promises instant wealth. For example, real estate is a true asset because it is visible and has a concrete quality. Because it is an investment for the long run, it piques my interest for that reason alone. Number 1. Make hard decisions fast. Take your time doing something difficult. Do it quickly. Putting additional time into a challenge or predicament makes it more complex to address or resolve. Consider what will serve you most effectively in achieving your goals, check to see that it is moral, and then carry out the necessary steps. Please remove the band-aid as quickly as possible rather than painfully pulling it off. This video has helped you with Simplest Way to Make Money Online by Cardone, a well-known entrepreneur and real estate investor who told us the easiest way to make money online. The most important thing to learn from his advice is that making money online takes hard work, commitment, and a willingness to learn and change. When making money online, one of the most important things to remember is that there are no quick fixes or shortcuts. Building a successful online business or income stream takes time and work. But if you follow Cardone's tips and strategies, you can set yourself up for success and reach your financial goals. Check out this video on your right screen to discover wealth creation tips and read the description below for insights. Take action now to enhance your knowledge on this topic. See you in the next video.